Hey guys, today I am just going to show you quickly how to change your shipping labels on Poshmark for your Dymo labels, for the 4x6 labels. So you are going to go to up in the corner, your little profile icon on the Poshmark application on the website, and you're going to hit the drop down box and hit account settings. And when you get to account settings, you are going to click over here on the left to shipping label settings. And then you can pick whichever one here you want to use. So the 4x6 here would be the one for the Dymo, and the 8.5x11 is the one for the regular shipping labels. So if you use the half-page shipping sheets, you want to use the 8.5x11. And then I did do a video on YouTube showing you how I print them out on my Brother printer, but I simply change the size of them. I shrink them to 80%, and then that way you don't have to mess with turning them and all of that kind of stuff. They'll fit right on the half page. You just slap it on the box and you should be ready to go. So I hope this helps you. With the actual app, you are going to do the same thing. You're just going to go to the Poshmark app, and in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to click on your icon. There you click on your why can't you ever find it when you're looking for it? My seller tools. It's actually under my seller tools on the app. And then you're going to go to shipping label settings, and you're going to change it right there from there. So that is then how you change it on the app. So I hope this helps. If you have any more things you want me to do videos on, just leave it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.